When using the BRAVIA Cam on compatible Sony TVs, you can use simple gestures to control some common functions on your TV without the need to use the remote control. All you have to do is hold up your hand, either open or with the index finger up to trigger the feature. With an open hand, you have the option to turn the volume up or down and play or pause streaming content. You can also close your hand to turn the power off. By moving your hand up, down, left, or right, you will trigger one of the functions. For volume controls, the volume will continue to adjust if you hold your hand over the function. If you simply make a fist, the TV will turn off. If you raise your hand with the index finger up, you will have the option to fast forward or rewind streaming content. Press the back button or press the select button. This feature works the same as the open hand movements. Moving your hand up, down, left, or right will trigger one of the functions. For shuttle controls, the content will continue to fast forward or rewind if you hold your hand over the function.